I'm going to show you how our threaded tapers work with our internally threaded tunnels. Just take a tunnel, either steel, black, teal, light blue, purple, any color, titanium or steel tunnel internally threaded that we carry, and you can take the same size taper and just thread it right on, just like so. Use this, put it through your ear, remove the taper, and then put the back on. And then move to your next tunnel. To show you it works with any color. I have a black one right now, it's PVD coated. And these tapers are only compatible with Metal Mafia brand internally threaded tunnels. And it's as simple as that.